In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a volume slider. You will learn how to make a volume slider while you can increase or decrease. So let's get started. To increase or decrease a volume slider is very simple. To begin with, first we'll bring in a box widget. Okay, then I will fit it in the middle. Alright, then duplicate the box widget. So you just copy and paste, then reduce it by the weight. Okay, then you fit it here in the middle. Then change the color. So I will change the color to red. Okay, then next I will bring in Eclipse. Then reduce it a little. Okay, then I'll fit it here too. Okay, I'll also give the Eclipse a red color, but this one to be dark. Okay, then next the widget here, I will drag it. Okay, now it's okay. I don't need to. It's already under the Eclipse here, so I guess I'm leaving it like that. Then next, I will make the Eclipse a dynamic panel. So I will change it to dynamic panel. Alright, then do the interaction. So let's say I'll give my dynamic panel a name, volume. Okay, then to do the interaction, I will select my widget here, then go to interaction, new interaction, then look for drag. Okay, here. Then I will select drag, then move. Then my dynamic panel name, I name it volume, so I will select volume. Then here, drag. Here, sorry, is with drag X. So I want to drag it horizontally. Okay, so I will select that and come to more option, then add boundaries. Okay, so here I will take left, then is greater than or equal to, sorry, is greater than or equal. Okay, then the FX here, I'll click on it, then click on it here, then I will do a bracket. Okay, then I have to type in a bracket. So in the bracket, I will type bg dot left. Okay, then next I'll come here to add local variable. Then here bg, so widget. Then here, okay, so background color is equal to the bg is background, is the background, so the background will be equal to the widget and the widget, this widget here. Okay, so then okay, then I'll do another one. Okay, so the first one was left, so this one I'll take right. Then here is less than or equals. Okay, then I'll select the FX. Then okay, so this one I will the same. the same bracket, then I will type in it. So as for this one, to be bg dot right. Okay, bg dot right, then here to bg, the same as the first one, then widget, then next it will be the rectangle. Okay, so okay, let me preview so that we can see. Okay, so this is it. Then let me drag it. Okay, so you notice something when I drag it, the eclipse here, when I drag it to the right, the eclipse is stop at the box, the widget here, so it stop at the edge here. I don't know, you can notice. Okay, so even when I drag it to the right too, it's still even when I drag it to the left, it's the same. So what I want to do is when I drag it to the right, it should be in the middle of the edge here. Okay, it should be in the middle here of the edge, maybe somewhere here also. And then when I drag it to the left, it should be the same here. Okay, so I'll go back to my design and come here to the fx and select it, and then I will type minus bg dot x. Okay, then next to I will type the same thing, then next to it to be plus, instead of the minus to be plus. Sorry, 20. Oh, right, sorry, I made a mistake. The first one here it should be plus. Sorry, it will be minus because it's left, so it will be minus 20. Then the second fx here too, it will be plus 20. Okay, so let me preview for us to see. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so when I drag it to the right, you will notice that it's in the middle of the edge here. Okay, so you will not even see the widget line here you notice that it's in the middle. And then when I drag it to the left too, it's also the same. So now what I want to do is when I'm increasing the volume, I'm dragging it to the right, nothing shows that I'm increasing it. So what I want to do when I'm increasing it to the right, I want the background color here to change. Okay, so I want it to change to red. Okay, so for me to achieve that, I'll go back to my design, then add interaction. So I will look for set size, then I'll come here to then fx, so I will select it and remove the 36, then I will choose x here. Okay, then I have to type in it, so let's say it will be minus bg dot x. Okay, so here too the same thing, bg, then widget, so background is equal to widget. So okay, the widget here, because I want it to change to, when I'm increasing the volume, I want it to show that I'm increasing the volume. Okay, then next to I remove the 13 and then take target, and I have to type in it, so it will be target dot height. Okay, target dot height. And next, the same thing here. So BG, and then here to widget, and then okay. So let's main preview, then we will see. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as you can see, when I'm increasing it, you will notice that I'm increasing the volume because the background here is red. Okay, so when I'm decreasing it, okay, you will notice that I'm decreasing it because the background here is white. Okay, so guys, this is how we do a volume slider. So you can increase it and you can also decrease it too. Okay, so increase, decrease, increase, decrease. Okay. This will be all for this tutorial.
Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And make sure to on your notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you can be notified. Thank you.